Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap and I'm a watchmaker here in the Netherlands. And a very common question is, what about watchwinders? Do we really need one? Well, depends where you want to use it for. So I thought it was nice to just a couple of thoughts about watchwinders. I've got one over here and I was very lucky. I got this one as a present from one of my first teachers. And we have one over here, and I was very lucky. I got it as a present from a very happy customer. So a very nice present. A watchwinder, commonly used for watches with an automatic winding system. So it's like the movement of a wrist, like that one now. Just starting. You see, it moves about just like the wrist. So a quartz movement or a hand wound movement, there's no added value in a watchwinder. We use them pure as a testing device for the power reserve, just to test the automatic winding module or system if it works. And we keep all watches which are in test in one place. Make it nice and easy. But do you really need a watchwinder? Some jewelers still say, and they use it quite a lot, that you need to wind a watch, a mechanical watch, to keep the oil in good condition. Well, that is bull. We've been using synthetic oil for 15, 20 years maybe. Before that you used a mineral oil, and that was prone to, well, a bit syrupy, dried out. But now with the modern oils, no problem whatsoever. You don't need to keep it in good shape or keep it moving. The other way around, if a mechanical watch isn't running, there's no wear and tear. And especially with a lot of collectors have several watches and they like to switch wearing their watch. There's no need to keep them all running. So it's only a testing device, only for automatic movements. But there's another very good use, and that is if you got a mechanical watch with an automatic winding system, which got a lot of complications, a lot of functions like moon phase, date, month, pointer date, stuff like that. If a watch stops, it's a bit of an effort to put all the complications right again. Then a watchwinder is perfect. So a lot of complications on an automatic watch, or just to test the automatic system, that's where you really need a watchfinder for. But they look awesome in a man cave or a display of your collection. So I'll make an alternative ending to this video. And this bit you can show your wife, your girlfriend. Start now. So I think nobody can live without a watchwinder. If you use them, you'll save thousands of dollars during the years. So if anybody really does love you, you give him a watchwinder for their birthday or Father's Day. So no man can live without. I do hope you agree. Hey, thank you so much. See ya. Bye bye.